Hi everyone. Do you want to talk about your daily routine in simple English?
Stay with us. Today, we speak slow, easy, and natural.
Yes, and you can practice with us.
Let's start your English journey today.
Yes, daily routine is very important for English learners.
Daily routine means the things you do every day.
Every day. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
And we repeat many sentences.
Repetition helps you learn.
Yes! Repetition is your friend.
So, let's begin with our own daily routine.
Our real daily routine.
And we explain everything.
Let's start with morning.
Henry, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
You wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early.
I wake up means I open my eyes and get out of sleep.
Yes, wake up is the first thing in the morning.
What do you do after you wake up?
I get out of bed.
Good. Get out of bed means you stand up from the bed.
Yes, I get out of bed and then I stretch.
Stretching is good.
And then I wash my face.
Washing your face means cleaning your face with water.
Yes, I wash my face.
I also wash my face in the morning.
What time do you wake up, Emma?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Ah, you wake up later than me.
Yes, I wake up at 7.
So first, you wake up.
Yes, I wake up and then I check my phone.
You check your phone first?
Yes, but only for a minute.
Check my phone means look at messages or times.
Yes. After that, I get out of bed.
Good.
Then I go to the bathroom.
Bathroom is important in every morning routine.
Yes. I brush my teeth.
Same. I brush my teeth too.
And we say brush my teeth, not wash my teeth.
Yes. Very important.
After brushing my teeth, I take a shower.
Oh, you shower in the morning?
Yes, I like morning showers.
Shower means clean your whole body with water.
Yes. What about you? Do you shower in the morning?
Sometimes, not every day.
That's okay.
After brushing my teeth, I drink water.
Drinking water in the morning is healthy?
Yes. I drink a big glass of water.
Then what do you do?
After that, I make breakfast.
Oh, nice.
Yes, I make eggs or toast.
Eggs, toast, simple breakfast.
Very simple.
I eat oatmeal for breakfast.
Oatmeal? Healthy.
Yes. I like healthy breakfast.
So your morning routine? Wake up, check your phone, get out of bed, go to the bathroom, brush teeth, shower, and eat breakfast.
Yes, that is my routine.
And my morning routine. Wake up, stretch, wash face, brush teeth, drink water, make breakfast.
Very simple and easy.
Yes. You can say these sentences to talk about your morning.
Let's repeat important lines.
Good idea.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I eat breakfast.
Great. Practice these sentences every day.
Yes. Practice makes perfect.
Now let's talk about going to work or school.
Yes, this part is important.
Henry, what do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I get dressed.
Get dressed means put on clothes.
Yes. After getting dressed, I check my bag.
What is inside your bag?
My laptop, notebook, water bottle.
Good.
After that, I leave my home.
Leave my home means go out of your house.
Yes. I leave home at 8 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
Emma.
By bus.
Yes. By bus means I take the bus.
That is simple.
And you, Emma? How do you go to work?
I walk to work.
Oh, your office is close?
Yes, very close.
Walking to work is healthy.
Yes, I like walking.
So your routine, you put on clothes, grab your bag, and walk to work.
Yes. And I listen to music while walking.
That is nice.
Listen to music means enjoy songs with your ears.
Good sentence.
Thank you.
When I arrive at work, I say hello to my coworkers.
Coworkers means people you work with.
Yes. Then I start my work.
When I arrive, I also say hello to my team.
This is a good habit.
Yes, very polite.
Let's repeat simple sentences for going to work.
Yes.
I get dressed after breakfast.
I leave my home at 8 a.m.
I go to work by bus.
I walk to work.
You can use these sentences every day.
Yes. Practice with us. Now let's talk about work time.
Or school time for students.
Yes, the sentences are the same.
Emma, what do you do first at work?
First, I open my computer.
Good simple sentence.
Yes. Open my computer means turn it on.
After that,
After that, I check my email.
Emails are messages on computer.
Yes. I check email every morning.
Same. I also check my emails.
Then I make a to-do list.
Oh, a list of things to do.
Yes, it helps me stay organized.
And then you start your work.
Yes. Then I start working.
What do you do at work?
I write, I plan, I help people.
Nice. Simple verbs.
And you, Henry?
I also open my computer.
Good.
I check emails, reply to messages, and start tasks.
Good routine.
Sometimes I have meetings.
Meetings means talking with coworkers about work.
Yes. And sometimes I make phone calls.
Good practice sentences.
Thank you.
At work, I sometimes drink coffee.
Me too. Coffee helps me wake up.
Yes.
Around 1 p.m., I eat lunch.
Lunch is the meal in the middle of the day.
Yes. A very simple definition.
What do you eat for lunch?
Sometimes rice, sometimes a sandwich.
I usually eat salad or soup.
Very healthy.
Yes.
After lunch, I work again.
Yes. Same here.
I work until 5 p.m.
And I work until 4:30 p.m.
Let's repeat simple sentences for work time.
Yes, let's repeat. I open my computer.
I check my email.
I make a to-do list.
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
I finish work at 4:30 p.m.
Great job.
Yes, these sentences are very useful.
Now, let's talk about after work.
Yes. After work is also part of your daily routine.
What do you do after work, Emma?
After work, I walk home.
Good.
When I reach home, I change my clothes.
Change my clothes means put on new clothes.
Yes. After that, I relax.
Relax means rest or do nothing.
Yes. I relax for 20 minutes.
Good idea.
Then I make dinner.
What do you cook?
I cook simple food, pasta, vegetables, or soup.
That sounds nice.
Yes. And you, Henry?
After work, I take the bus home.
Good.
When I reach home, I take a shower.
A second shower?
Yes. It helps me feel fresh.
That is nice.
After that, I rest for a little time.
Resting is important.
Then I make dinner too.
What do you cook?
I cook rice, chicken, or sometimes noodles.
Good simple meals.
Yes, very simple.
Do you eat dinner alone?
Sometimes with family.
Nice.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen.
Good habit.
What do you do after dinner, Emma?
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes means clean the plates, cups, and spoons.
Yes. After that, I check my phone again.
Everyone checks their phone.
Yes.
Let's repeat some sentences.
Yes. I walk home after work.
I change my clothes.
I relax for 20 minutes.
I make dinner.
I wash the dishes.
Good job practicing.
Yes, great job.
Now let's talk about evening time.
Evening is a peaceful time.
Yes. What do you do in the evening, Emma?
In the evening, I read a book.
That's nice.
Reading helps me relax.
Yes. Read a book means look at words in a book.
Yes. After reading, I watch a little TV.
What do you watch?
I watch cooking shows.
Oh, nice.
And you? What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I play games on my phone.
Fun.
Yes. After that, I watch YouTube videos.
YouTube is a good place to learn.
Yes.
Sometimes in the evening, I talk to my friends.
Talk to my friends means speak with friends in person or online.
Yes, only for a short time.
After that, I clean my room a little.
Good habit. Clean space is good.
Yes.
Let's repeat some sentences.
Yes.
I read a book in the evening.
I watch TV.
I talk to my friends.
I watch YouTube videos.
Good job practicing.
Yes. Excellent.
Now let's talk about night routine.
Yes. The last part of the day.
What time do you go to bed, Henry?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Nice.
And you?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Before going to bed, I brush my teeth again.
Yes. Brushing teeth at night is important.
Then I wash my face again.
Good.
After that, I check my phone for the last time.
Everyone checks their phone at night.
Yes!
I also check my phone.
Then I turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights means make the room dark.
Yes. And then I sleep.
I sleep means I rest my body and mind.
Yes.
My night routine is similar.
What do you do?
I brush my teeth.
Good.
I wash my face.
Okay.
Then I write in my journal.
Journal?
Yes, a notebook where I write my thoughts.
That is nice.
After that, I turn off the lights and sleep.
Very good routine.
Yes.
Let's repeat sentences.
Yes, I brush my teeth at night.
I turn off the lights.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
I sleep.
Good job practicing.
Yes, great job.
Now, let's say one full daily routine.
Yes. This will help you speak naturally.
I will say my routine first.
Go ahead.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, I eat breakfast, then I walk to work. I work until 4:30 p.m. After work, I walk home, I relax and make dinner, I clean my dishes. In the evening, I read a book and watch TV. At night, I brush my teeth, turn off the lights, and sleep.
Now I will say my routine.
Yes, Henry.
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I stretch and wash my face. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I eat breakfast. Then I take the bus to work. I work until 5 p.m. After work, I take a shower and make dinner. In the evening, I play games and watch YouTube. At night, I brush my teeth, turn off the lights, and sleep.
You can make your own daily routine too.
Yes, very easy.
You just need simple sentences,
Simple verbs,
simple time words.
and practice every day.
Yes,
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
yes, you did a great job.
Today, you learned how to talk about your daily routine.
Use these sentences every day.
Speak slowly
Speak clearly.
and speak with confidence.
Yes,
Please subscribe to our channel, Mastery in English,
like the video.
and comment your daily routine below.
See you next time.